Good morning, my name is Tarmo, my geocaching name is Metroboy. Today I am welcoming you to the city of Chelmsford, the birthplace of radio. Yesterday in Estonia, Estonian radio had the very first broadcast on 18th of December. I can't remember how many years ago, lots of time ago. But today I'm meeting up with my friend TJ again, and I have acquired couple, let's say four geocache locations in Hylands Park, and my plan is to go there and find those geocaches. So if everything goes accordingly, I should be able to get those geocaches. Anyway, looks like my friend TJ is coming. Hello. Good morning. How are you?
Good, thank you.
How was your trip?
Nightmare today.
I guess it was quite eventful as
Yes.
your bus was late.
Very late, yes.
Yes, same happened with me as well. Apparently the bus driver had to take the loo or something, and that meant that the bus was really late, like half an hour late.
Yeah.
But looks like
Me
same
too.
happened to you. Anyway, my plan is we can stay here, wait for C4
Okay.
and take the bus, or we go through the park
Go
and
for the park, yeah.
walking. Okay, let's do that way then.
Yeah.
So, what can you tell me about Chelmsford?
A busy town
Busy-
and a big city, really.
Oh yes.
And you can see all different statues. There's quite a few in Apples Park
Okay. So why is it a city then? Do you know the reason for it?
because it's the Queen that made it as a city.
Well,
Before-
Queen, yeah. I mean, it's one of the reasons, but usually one of those prerequisites is that there's a cathedral.
Yeah.
Have you ever visited the cathedral? Of...
Yes, because it has got like
Oh dear. Yep.
because the cathedral has quite a lot of information inside about a statue,
Yeah.
secret statue.
Secret statues.
Yeah.
So I'm learning new all the time.
Because the statue, you have to visit first, then look inside the cathedral.
Inside the spire.
Yes.
Now approaching one geocache hidden by Helen Bryan, or sorry, Helen Tribe is her caching name now, and it is called Britwick Clock Tower. I never understood what is this geocache all about, but when you think about the 4 dimensions, so you have 3 dimensions here, but the 4th dimension is time. And the time when this geocache was hidden was 12-13 years ago. And back then there actually was a very unique clock tower you could see from the edge of this bridge. And sadly it's no more. So only remaining thing is this geocache. So I'm now closing in with my good friend TJ. And as TJ has already found this geocache, hopefully we have a speedy recovery. After you, my friend. What is there? Under the bridge. Oh, indeed. and I never thought it's there.
Amazing.
Amazing. Just some closing thoughts about this geocache. Obviously, it's very old cache, and
Old-fashioned.
well, I wouldn't call it old-fashioned. I would just say old as the placement is old. So it definitely needs a little bit
TLC.
TLC, tender, loving care. Yes. But in the end, this is my third visit here, or fourth. I don't know. I can't count them. And thanks to you, my friend, I was able to find it.
Always.
Yeah. So we are now moving towards some of the geocaches I'd like to find today. But first of all, I'd like to help out TJ here, who can't find a geocache that it's called Ök. Do you know why it's called Ök?
Been here several times, so I never can find it.
Apparently the cache container looks like a dead animal.
Yeah.
Like a rat or something.
We'll see.
Don't worry, come on.
No, they've got...
Okay. I'm sure it's somewhere here. Here we go.
Amazing.
Amazing. People say they get bubonic. Oh dear, and I didn't actually record this, but we were just extracting the log seed from the dead animal.
Yeah.
It feels like a kind of trespassing, to be honest.
Yeah. Done.
Done.
Need a country.
It should be there. The hint says 146.
Hey.
Yoo-hoo! What a strange geocache find this one is. So much fun actually. You know the German word for the Christmas tree? Well, apparently hint says Tannenbaum, and this reminded me that German Christmas song, O Tannenbaum, how glücklich ist die Wollen, or something like that. I don't speak German. So anyway, we located the cache on the Tannenbaum. And hopefully we are able to get it and we can sign this one. Do you get it?
Swimming through.
Oh dear, yeah, I see. Or maybe I can get closer.
Yeah.
Hold it for me, please.
We are swimming through to get to it.
Does look like a little bit like a Christmas decoration, is it?
Yeah, bauble.
The next geocache is supposed to be here. One of these three. I don't know, is it this one, that one, or the one on the behind? But as you can see, that nice beautiful building there, that's Hylands mansion, is it? Hylands house. Do you know anything more about that house? Nah, I don't know.
Oh, Hylands house. They do like events and concerts and things.
Oh
like
yeah,
that,
like people getting married, things like
yeah,
that.
That's it, yeah.
So it's a...
Sony's whatever you call her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see. First we need to find the cache. Doesn't look to be a geocache, is it?
No.
So today we couldn't find two geocaches. They are very good geocaches, they are mystery caches, but apparently we couldn't get them. We were flying the drone as well. TJ was crashing it once. But it's okay, it can withstand everything. And the last one is very fittingly Christmas time of the year, and this is the cache. Looks like a Christmas tree decoration or something. So I'm gonna write down my name and TJ's, and after that it's getting back to the south end and wherever you go. So as always, thanks for watching. I will return soon and you become regular watchers of me. Just click the bell button. Take care.
Bye.